Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So let's make a card for Parents Day. Take a color paper and fold it into half. Then draw a design as shown and cut along the outline. Then cut out a piece from white A4 paper and glue this inside the card. Then using the remaining color paper, cut out a small piece, fold as shown and draw half a heart here. Cut along the outline. In this way we will get small hearts. Next, using a ruler and a black ball pen, draw lines as shown and glue the hearts to the card. Then cut out a square from white A4 paper. Fold as shown and draw a petal. Cut along the outline and you will get a small flower. Glue this also to the card. Then cut out a small circle and glue this as well. Then using a whitener, add dots as shown. And our card is now ready. You can also use this card to make Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday cards as well. Here I am making this card for Parents Day. So we are writing a message related to it inside the card. You can write whatever message you want. Here I am writing, I am so lucky to have you two as my mom and dad. You are the best. Thank you so much for everything. Then I am drawing small hearts here. And writing Happy Parents Day. And that's it, a cute card for Parents Day is now ready. You can give this to your parents this Parents Day and I'm sure they will be very happy. I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.